In this video, I'll show you how to add PayPal to Samsung Wallet, step by step. By the way, if you're a business owner, PayPal might not be the best solution for you, but I'll explain more about that later in the video. In order to add PayPal to Samsung Wallet, open the Samsung Wallet app on your device and sign in to your Samsung account. Make sure you are using the latest version of the Samsung Wallet app so the feature is available. Once you are inside the app, go to the menu and tap on the plus sign to add a new payment option. After tapping the plus sign, go to the payment cards section, where you can add different payment methods to your wallet. Look through the available options and check if PayPal appears in the list. If PayPal is not shown after entering the payment cards section, it means the feature is not available for your device or region. If PayPal appears as an option, tap on it to continue. You will then be redirected to the PayPal app or the PayPal website, where you need to sign in to your PayPal account by entering your email or phone number and password. After signing in, approve the request to link your PayPal account to Samsung Wallet. Once approved, your PayPal details will be imported into Samsung Wallet and the account will be successfully connected. PayPal is decent, but personally, I prefer MoneyGram for day-to-day money transfers, especially if you live in the US or Canada. If you're worried about online fraud, they even have physical locations near you where you can make transfers in person. There's a link in the description below to create a free account. But if you run a business or plan to start one, Airwallex is a much better option. You can send and receive money from all over the world, in many different currencies. It's a complete business banking account that goes way beyond what PayPal offers. There should be a video popping up on your screen now. It's a detailed Airwallex review covering everything you need to know. Click the video to start watching.